Yeah, we made it to the beach. Well, no. Yeah, we made it to the beach. Yay. So, there's a problem though for when we eat out here. Yeah, did you bring my Lay's? I actually brought the hot fries. Oh, it's okay. I'm good with hot fries. You know, I know what I'm gonna do. Hey, Daddy. What? Ah! Help! Help! I'm stuck! Help! I should have been more down in there. Help! Help! Bro! Oh my gosh. You're lucky I don't drown you from that. Ha 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 ha. You got stuck. You're so annoying. Okay, actually, that's a pretty nice bed. Are you sunbathing? What do you think? But you're already orange. So why do you need to be darker? Bro, that's racist. Don't say that. That's racist. I'm just... Because look, I went here the other day without you. My tan's going away, so I'm going to try and tan again. Why is your nose big and red and ugly? I think you're related to Mario or something. It's because, look, my family are clowns. It's weird, but that's what they are. I knew you were stupid. Shut up. You know what? Sand fight. Wait, what? Ah! Why would you do that? Ow. The fight's not over yet. No, fight's not over. Stop it! Ow! 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 Help me! Ugh. That hurt so bad. Why are you doing this to me? We have to bury our heads for the thumbnail. Come on, wait, what? No! Oh my god, this is really for the thumbnail? Uh-huh. Why? It makes it look funny. Can I get out yet now? Yeah, we took it. Yeah, get out. Wait, where's our mom? She didn't come. She likes the cold. She hates the hot. Now, let me go to bed. Well, not the bed, but let me sleep. Daddy, wake up. Daddy. What do you want? I want to throw more sand at you. Wait, let me get up. What? What do you mean? Ow! Stop it! Stop it! Ow! 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 Stop it! Ow! Ow! I'm so just covered in sand because of you. I'm never taking you to the beach again. Ow. So who could have thought sand hurts? Dad, why can't we go in the water? Because it's brown and dirty right now, today. Tomorrow will change, but we're not going tomorrow. The water's way too cold, dude. Like, you're gonna freeze. I want to be freezing. You're not our mom. Well, your mom. I have a. Hold on. What? Am I? Well, your mom, my wife, or yeah, my wife. When you were little, were you fatherless? No. No. I think you were. Oh my god, dude, I wasn't fatherless. Are you sure? You're about to be fatherless. I mean, yes, I'm sure. Yeah, he's about to have no father. It's kind of rude if I did that, but like, still. He's so annoying. You think you can handle these? Aren't those fake Chesters? Yeah, but our store doesn't sell big Chester bags, okay? So I had to get these and they're new, so we're gonna try fire fries. I already had almost half the bag, but still. Let me take them. Okay. Hold on. There's a bug on me. Get up! Are you still here? He's scary. Okay, you got off my arm. You try them. This one's extra red. They're not spicy at all. I'm gonna take another one. Yeah. I can even take another one. 2 at a time. I can't even count, but this many at a time. It's so hot! Stop it! Oh, no! Be safe! Sand coated off. Bro, they're not even spicy, like. I ate like 10. Not spicy. You can't make fun of me just because I can't handle spicy stuff. I bet you can't handle sour. Yes, I can. I bet you can't handle cold. Literally almost everybody on the planet can handle cold. You know what? I don't care. I'm stabbing you. Hold on now, what the fuck? You can't make fun of me just because I can't handle spicy stuff. No, give me that. Ugh. When we get home, you're grounded. Like grounded. No, I didn't mean to. I'm sorry. Look at the birds fly out right by the water. Bro, like, oh my god. Look at that. Look at that plane too. Sick. You're still grounded, you know. Why am I still grounded? Because you're bad.